Hi, this is Larry. I'm going to show you how to install a font in Windows 10. This changed late in 2019, early 2020. It used to be a little easier, but it's still doable. All right, so I'm on a website that has some fonts that I can download. I'm just going to go ahead and choose, I like Sketch 3D. I hit download. And we're going to save this to my desktop. So I hit save. Alrighty. And now I'm going to just get my web browser out of the way for a minute. Let me move my face over to the side. Alright, so what I downloaded is a zip file with the font inside of it. So I'm going to put my mouse over top of that, right click, and I'm going to choose Extract All. And it says where to. Do you want to go to the desktop in a folder called Sketch 3D, which is the same name as the zip file. And I like that, so we're going to go ahead and hit extract. And now if you notice, we just got a new folder that showed up here called Sketch 3D, and inside of it, I want to open this up a little bit more. Okay, so we have Sketch 3D open type font file. So that is actually the font. There are two types that you can use. One's called open type, the other is called true type. So they're typically TTF or OTF. And if you want to know what I'm talking about when I say TTF or OTF, come up here at the top where it says view, and we're going to click on that, and I'm going to come over here and say file name extensions, and I turn that on. Now you can see, all right, this is a OTF type of font. All right, it's an open type font. Okay, so we've unzipped it or extracted that. So I'm going to get this out of the way here because the next step is we're going to go down to the Windows Start button and choose the gear, which is Settings, and we're going to open that. And once we've opened it, we're going to look for one that says Personalization, and we'll click on that. And now in the left side menu, we're going to the one that says Fonts, and we'll click on that. Okay, there's a box right here that says drag and drop to install, and that's what we're going to do. What we need to do is come over to the sketch3d.otf, that's our open type font. I'm going to click on it and drag it into this box and let it go. Notice right here, it just appeared. Sketch 3D. So that is our new font now. And if I click on that font, you get a little sample of what it looks like. Right there. So now we have that font in our system, and that's how easy it is to do this. I'm Larry, and this has been a video I made for SVG for Fun and Profit. Head on over to Holly's blog and check out some more videos and her designs and other project ideas she has for you. Have fun.